Hi everybody, welcome to week 4. So you're halfway through, or past halfway, since we're already in week 4 here on your research course here. So got some spring tree things there for you. Okay, so let's jump right into a quick review of last week, week 3. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so week 3 discussion. You had your same as we've been doing. You find a case. So ones everybody turned one in, very good. I mean, you find a case, you identify what the problem, what was talked about, and you talk about it. One thing I wanted to point out is if you need to actually, if you find a case, you need to actually tell us about it. Other than, hey, case is about, oh, rubber ducks, right? And okay, well, what about the rubber duck? So that's, just make sure you're expanding on that. So you're basically given a mini summary of the case. What it is, why is it, what things were done, what were the results, who did it impact, things like that. So just make sure you're doing that when you're doing that. But like I say, good back and forth interaction on there, so no problems there. Let's go back here to the where am I at? Week 2. Okay, the cases, same thing on the written case, and the ones I've seen, very good. All the details are in there. Only thing I would add is make sure you're paying attention to structure. Things like paragraphs. First line of paragraphs is indented. Paragraphs, as a general rule, are usually 3 or 5 sentences talking about one thought, one topic. I mean, one topic within the topic, one part of the, if you're going to give a brief history, or if you're going to talk about a particular product, and then you go on to maybe the next paragraph is the research of the product. So that's what I mean by, in general, I mean, it can be more than 5 sentences, but I say just general rule. This thing where you have a full page, and it's one full page paragraph, that should be like probably 3 or 4 paragraphs in there, because you're talking about 3 or 4 or 5 different things. So just pay attention to that when you're doing that. SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. Make sure you're doing each individual one, and make sure it is, and like I said, ones I've seen are good, so I just want to point that out. You also got your project due next week. So again, I've heard from 1 or 2 of you had some questions and answered those, so we should be good. Again, I want to harp on, don't be waiting until the Sunday night thing. I know you hear me say this all the time. Every day is when you should be doing school, not Sunday night. So and if you do it more, then it's like that push-up analogy I use. If you do it every day, it'll actually be easier for you. Just like exercise or anything else. So just get through there. All right. So upcoming week. I was talking about the wrong week there, but I'm sorry. But let's jump up here. Week 4. So upcoming week, the Best Buy case. Work on your project, and then so you guys don't have any present text readings or any of that. So discussion. And again, the same thing as we've been doing previous weeks, find your case and talk about it. So, and I just kind of went over that. So, and that, let me go back here and just make sure. And you guys are, I mean, this course is a little different than the traditional course because we don't have a, you're not doing a regular book. It's just basically reading cases and analyzing them and writing reports on them. So some of you may find that, oh, good, or you may not. I mean, but that's basically what we're doing here. So we get into next week, again, discussion, case analysis. You don't have an exam, so there too. So hope you've been taking advantage of this and been working on your project. And that should do it. So the only other thing this week, let me see, so that pretty much covers everything. Keep it short for you. Appreciate you watching the videos when you do. The only other thing I'll do is my test question here. Let me know what this is. Alright, so there you go. So let me know what that is, and I know you watched the video. So everybody have a great week. Let me know if you got anything. Use Canvas system, text or email, or text, call, email, whatever the case, and I'll help you out. So that's it. Take care.